Hi everyone and welcome to my channel Learn with Pritha. This video is exclusively made for freshers who look forward to build a shining career in corporates. The first step to enter into corporate is to crack the job interview. So I'm going to give you certain tips and tricks based on my experience as a management consultant, as a behavioral coach, as part of the interview panel of various corporates and colleges. I call them 3 Ps. Number 1, prepare. So when I say prepare, I mean to say that you must do research about the organization and you must do research about yourself. Research about the organization means that you must study what kind of products, services or technology the organization is, what is their mission, vision, what are their values, what is the culture of the organization, and what are their future plans. In terms of doing a research about yourself, I mean to say have a clarity of your personality, have a clarity of your own vision, your own goals in life, what you wish to do, what kind of technology, what kind of functional area you look forward to build a career. If you have done your research well in these two areas, it will be easy for you to answer certain questions which the interviewer may pose. See, the intention of an interview is always to know about yourself and to see if you can be a good fit for the organization. So simple questions like why should we hire you? Why do you think you are a good fit for the job? You can easily and impressively answer those questions. Suppose you have read on the website that they have a future plan of venturing into a particular technology, say cloud computing, say AI, artificial intelligence, and you too have a passion to build a career in any one of them, then you can easily answer that question by saying that I see that the organization plans to venture into this particular area in future and I too have a desire to build my career in that. So I think both of us going to work towards a common goal and it's going to be a mutually beneficial association. They may ask you that tell us about your strength, which is also again a very common question. Now, if you have done a research on yourself, you will be able to answer that question with more confidence and clarity. Also, if you have studied and researched on the organization and you might have observed that there is a particular skill set that they prefer, or let's say that their culture looks forward for a particular kind of strength in the candidate and you have 2-3 strengths. You know, we all have more than one strength, and when this question is asked, we get confused that which strength should I tell the interviewer. So suppose you read, or when you're doing research on the organization, that they tend to have leaders in the organization or they work on building leaders. So you can always tell your leadership quality. If it is one of your quality, you can say that my greatest strength is leadership. I look forward to have a role of a leader so that I can lead the group by hand holding them and by being with them all the time to support them. So this will make the interviewer believe that the culture fit is going to be appropriate. You are going to be a good fit on the culture fit, and if your technology wise also you seem to be a fit, then definitely they will feel that you are a very good fit in terms of professional aspirations and goals and in terms of cultural aspirations. But whenever you are answering questions, please understand that whatever you say, you have the incidences, you have the reasons to back it up. If you said that you have a leadership quality, then you should be able to tell them the incidences. You should be able to justify that you have the leadership quality. Second is practice. Now, once you have done your research, you have prepared, please do practice. Don't think that now I know everything, I'll go sit there and answer the questions. You can do practice with your teachers, with your seniors who are already placed, or if you don't find anyone to practice, then you can do practice with online apps. There are certain online sites and online apps which help you to prepare for the interview. Sites like or apps like interviewbuddy.com, camley.com, convointerview.com. These are certain sites and you may find many more on the internet, and you can do the practice of the interview. They guide you very well. They tell you that what improvement is needed and they help you to prepare for your interview. Third is present. That means go and present yourself in the interview. Many times when we get the interview call, we take a decision not to go for that particular interview based on either underestimation of ourselves or overestimation of ourselves. Sometimes we get a call and we feel that, oh, this company is not good. This is a small company. I would not like to go for it. So I would suggest go and present yourself in the interview. Sometimes when you visit the organization, sometimes when you talk to people over there, you get a real picture of the organization and you may realize that this is actually the place you would like to work for. Sometimes you get a call and you feel that, oh my God, this is a big organization and I must not go for it. So don't underestimate yourself. They are there to understand you as an individual. They want to know your inner strengths. They are not only looking at your superficial marks, they are not only looking at your superficial intelligence, but they are looking for an individual who can adapt to their culture, an individual who has a desire, a passion to move forward and do something good and take the company ahead. So go for it, give it a chance, and I'm sure that your dream company is waiting for you. Don't wait, go and grab the opportunity. If you liked my video, please do click like, press the bell icon, and don't forget to mention in the comment section if tips have been useful for you. Also tell me that which other topic you would like to cover up to continue our series of moving further in life. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy, take care.